Hello brother and sister, today I will going to give a review for our WERA screwdriver PH1. Okay, this is a Philips screwdriver. Now we are going to measure the screwdriver. It is around 18 centimeter. The thickness of the handle, almost 12.5 millimeter. (18.11 millimeter). Around 4 millimeter. Now we are going to scale the weight. Around almost 20 grams. I'm already used this screwdriver for 1 or 2 months. In order to upgrade my screwdriver, so what in my opinion is the handle is very stable, rotate very smoothly, doesn't make any sound, very silent, yes. So I'm quite satisfied with this screwdriver. And if you want to upgrade your screwdriver, this WERA is a quite good option in my opinion. Thank you for watching this short video.